How you doing, folks? It's Ron Grovis from Ron's Beer Reviews and Tools. I've got a little tool haul to show today from Harbor Freight. And it's not that big, but the stuff that I purchased is really needed. First is a nice 25-foot by 1 inch ruler. I like this ruler because it shows the actual increments in the fractions. 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, 3/8, 7/8, all the ways up, 3/4. It's kind of nice. You don't have to go figuring out or in your head. Also, the colors change from 1 foot, and they're marked all the ways in red. 1'7", so forth. 16 inches on dead center has that marked. That's nice. And also 19 inches for the black mark on I think it's house joists on the roof. 19, and then again would be 38. Again, see the black mark, 38 and 3/8, I think it is. And this one is 19 and 4/8. 16ths, 4/16. 19, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 19 and 3/16, and then again we'll go to 38 and 6/16. I think it is 7/16. But I like it. 25. I don't know if I don't have the prices on these right now. I've been wanting to get these for a long time, and this didn't come from Harbor Freight. We go to the store next door, Ocean Job Lots or something like that. My wife likes that store while I'm in Harbor Freight, but they have tools there, and I need a small. I mean, you can't find them this small, these files. I needed the small files. I looked for small and the small, this exact size. The round, the flat, the shaped, the oval, and I like this. This is what I've been looking for. This is the store next door, Job Lots, Ocean State Job Lots. Let's get the name. These here, plastic, brass, and steel, a wire brush set, 3 pieces, and it's all what you're going to be cleaning off from plastics, like I say, the soft metals with the brass, and then the steel. That's pretty good. That was next door, store next door also. This here is from Harbor Freight. I like the color coordination. I had purchased some box end wrenches, the ratchet and box end wrenches, and a lot of sockets that are color coded, and really they've come in nice and handy. Besides being color coded, these are all actually marked on the side of the size there. That's 5/16. The sizes are on there in white. That's 1/2 inch. So it goes from 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Now with a good price on this. I don't have the paper right now, the receipt, but that was a good priced item. This I've been looking for a while. I have a small plastic one. Let me go get that right now. Hold 1 second. This is what I have been using. It had been my dad's. It's old. And I think this is a Craftsman. It had Craftsman on it. Here. And I need a bigger, beefier. And this is nice in that all these come off. This is the metal. I don't know what exactly the shock and absorb on the plastics are. May say on the back. But it saves some damage on a number of items that you be tapping against or banging against. And that's 4 different heads for that. So that's pretty nice. That's really nice. I like that a lot. And of course, got to go with that. I use an awful lot of bungees. because out my landing back, I have a lot of things under tops, and the tops blow off with the wind, so you need something to hold them down, and these eventually wear out. They get dried out or fatigued, and they stretch out, and then they eventually break from both the fatigueness and the sun. So I go through these and quite a bit. Not bad, 12-piece set. Oh, and this here, this is dandy. This is real nice. This is real nice. Store next to a job lot. I won't put it bright because it gets really bright. I won't put it all the way. I like this. It's a lantern. Ocean State Job Lots. That's the name of the place. It's got a compass up top, which is nice. And it's nice. You can hang it. You go camping or do some work around the yard. Or even in the house, you lose your power. This will come in handy. That's real nice. Of course, this is from Pittsburgh. Pot tool, magnetic pot tool. You know, this is the free tool that when you purchase something from I'm stuck on Job Lots, Harbor Freight, you get pick something free. They have about 7 or 8 items that you can pick from, and I have a few of these, and these are nice. Those are nice. This again came from next door. This is my wife's purchase, what she wanted, what she needed. 3-in-1 spray mop, good for doing the kitchen floors, the bathroom floors. It's pretty good. I haven't seen it, but she uses them and she likes them. So this is what we needed. So we got it. We purchased it, and that's this one here. And last but not least, I do have this one here. I have one from Craftsman. It's beefier than this one. I use this for all my work, my hard or lesser than hard work. I use this for a number of things. But right up there on my small work, I'll use this. This is what came with it. I mean, this rotary toolkit isn't all that big, but it does the job for the small things that I need it to do. And I mean really small things. That's what this will be dedicated for. Whereas this one is, this Craftsman is a little bit bigger and beefier. And that's what that's for. And then if I need any further, then I'll just go up to that. Or if I need it bigger, just go up to work. But you got to have the right tool for the right job, and that's what I'm trying to have. So this is what I have here. That's the tool haul. I didn't film. We ate at Smash Burger. I think I did. We ate after we went shopping. Went to Smash Burger, which is a hamburger joint right near there in Medford, Massachusetts. So you'll see that. I don't know where Smash Burgers are just coming into Massachusetts. I think they are down in, actually my wife and my daughter say there are some down in Arizona. I like them. They're a fine hamburger joint. They have everything that I enjoy and like, and so with my wife. So anyway, so this is what the tool haul was. Not that big, but much needed stuff. And there you go. Enjoy the day, folks. Plenty of snow here in New England. Temperature's been above freezing today, but the sun's out, but it's very windy. So we're getting some melting. All right, there you go. Across the free tool.